Hello everyone, you're on It's That Easy channel, and today we are going to learn how to solve SQL Server Connection error. So let's see how we do that. So first of all, let us locate Microsoft Visual Studio on our PC and open it. Yes. Now click on File menu and then Open Website. Locate for the website which you want to open and then click here. Hey, we got a message about the reload of .NET Framework. Just simply click on the first option and then press OK button. Now our project is loading. Go to Server Explorer and click on your database, press the refresh button. Another way to do this is right-click on the database name having the .mdf extension and then select the refresh option from it. Either way you use, we are just intended to refresh our database before using it. But it's taking too much time to refresh. It means there is some error in establishing an SQL connection. And yeah, we got an error message here. Let's read it carefully. It has been written that network related or instance specific error occurred while establishing a connection to SQL Server. The server was not found or was not accessible. Verify that the instance name is correct and that SQL Server is configured to allow remote connections. Oh yeah, there's a problem. So let's solve it. So first let's minimize the Visual Studio window and go to Run Prompt by pressing Window plus R key. Now type services.msc here. Services.msc command is used to locate the background services which are running on your computer. Just write it and press OK. Yeah, it takes us to the services window. Now you see that there are a lot of files here which are running on your background and are arranged in an alphabetical manner. We are intended to search the SQL server, so go to the S where you find it and then click on SQL Server SQL Express. After clicking it, we see that the services stopped. That's the problem. We need to start it. Or in case it is already started in your PC, you can restart it. Well, it will take just 2 to 3 seconds. So, you can also check other SQL related services whether they are start or stop. But most probably SQL Server SQL Express services needed to check. Now, let's just close this window and go back to Microsoft Visual Studio. Now click on your database name and let's refresh it. I guess it will take less time now to refresh the database, so let's see. Yay! The cross has disappeared and the connection is established. Now we can easily work on. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please subscribe to It's That Easy, like the video and share it.